Good morning. Ang sabi ni Uncle, what if Sarah for president tapos Lenny for vice? Aba, mas nakakakaba, di ba? Dreaming, you must be dreaming. Talaga lang matapos niyong tawaging lutang, 17 Islands, matapos niyong tawaging fake VP, gusto niyong makipag-alyansa. Desperado na tong mga didilis. Ano ba, natatakot na yan? ICC is coming to town. Technical malversation is coming to town. Impeachment is waving. Good morning. But anyway, keep on dreaming.